What is going on, YouTube? We're here in Berkeley, gonna give Berkeley Marina a try, see what we can find out here. It's a little really windy, and I don't know, the water's looking a little stirred up too, so we might not do too well, but you never know. You don't know unless you try, so we're gonna get out here and give it a shot, see what happens. All right, let's do this.
Yeah, please tell me that. When we were at Top Golf, were you teaching me how to golf? Yeah.
Hey, monkey.
I'm down.
I don't want to hear it from you. Last time we got into something over here, your brother foul hooked a shark. Huh?
Oh, okay, don't golf there.
Who? Oh, really? Earlier today.
For friendship.
That's right.
For friendship? Yeah. I'm gonna catch me a guppy this time. It's gonna be a happy guppy, man. Right? Then I'm gonna open a tea house. It's gonna be called the Happy Guppy Tea House.
I know, we see bait fish every time here. No!
Just swing it out there. I don't give a shit, you know. There you go. See? That was good. That was a good one, actually. That's actually one of my average ones. Alright. That's a Kang special.
That was average. That was average.
That was a Kang special one Darwin just did. Average size. Yeah.
Hey, I got hit. I got one. Oh, I missed
Fish
it.
on!
Oh, Kang.
Kang almost died.
Hey, I swear, I'm gonna hit you.
Yeah, okay. Yeah, brother said, I got one too. I got one. It's a shark. Huh? Okay, watch. Where? Where? Where?
Come on. I can help you.
They're out here.
Dude, you saw me. Yeah,
I didn't see shit.
They're out here. Keep casting. They're here.
I think you had too many caparinas today.
No, I think that he thought I was a predator.
I know. He smelt it. I'm on.
Really?
Yep. Get right in front of you.
See? That monkey?
That's right. It's probably a shaker.
Get that footage since you said that word. Oh, man.
There we go.
Oh, nice. Oh. There you go.
Okay.
Hey, take a picture. You got a picture? Hey, camera. Smile to the
There you go. Look at the camera.
Oh.
Shaker.
What the hell was that? He screamed.
Nothing. Oh, I'm on. Oh. That's all the way out there, bro.
Let's go, fish out! Fish out!
That's all the way out there, bro. They know you gotta cast it as far as you can. They're just sitting out there.
What? George, keep doing it.
Oh yeah, you're king.
Set it down and you untangle it.
Hey, just huck it out as far as you can. Just huck it out as far as you can.
Oh, you're not tangled no more.
Heads up, watch. I'm bringing it towards you. Oh, that's a bigger one. Oh yeah.
Oh, fuck.
Damn.
Jordan, I'm coming to you.
George, hand me the rock.
Let me see.
Here you go, guys.
There we go.
There's another keeper striper right there. There you go. Look at that. Let me cast in your spot. real quick. Watch out. Watch out.
Okay, I undid it for you. All you gotta do is
I'm just doing one. You can come back to your spot, Vaughn. Oh, I'm on. Watch out. Hey, watch out. No, this is a shaker.
That's a shaker?
Yeah.
That ain't no shaker.
That's a shaker.
Alright, that's a shaker. Yeah. Hi there, little buddy.
Hey, Kangy. Look at that. There we go. Let him go. Give him a release.
Your name is Danny. Oh, bye, Danny. Go out there and meet somebody. Go out there, be big
Come on. Hey, Long.
No way. Here we go, Jerry.
It's a shaker, but it's still. Oh, you angry? You angry?
There you go. Oh, that's too bad.
Look at that.
That's a very
There we go, guys. There's another shaker.
That one's up.
There, goodbye.
I forgot to name it. Oh, that's bad juju. Fuck, no, water got in my shoe.
I feel like this happens every time, gang.
Every time I'm out, I get water in my shoes. There we go.
Let's see it. Hold it up. Hold it up. There we go.
Is it? What do you think?
You gotta measure it, bro. It's like right at 18. It's the same school.
I'll stretch it out.
What were we using? A Castmaster?
Yeah.
Okay.
But I got a 28.5 incher this year. That would be
Oh, nice.
my biggest today.
You did?
I got hit in a row, like boop, boop, boop.
Oh, there we go.
All right. Yeah. Got one.
That's a little better.
Looks like a good one.
That's a little better. Oh, yeah, stay down. Don't come.
Damn.
Sorry, it's right over to you.
Oh, is that it?
I'm over at him right now.
Oh, you over here?
Yeah. Oh, that's a better one. Yeah. Okay, watch it. 1, 2, 3.
Fishy, tadaimasu, ikitakimasu.
There you go, guys. Look at that.
Arigato, fishy.
20, a little 20 in there.
Sort of set an area that you can slide on.
Ooh, that was better. Oh, that's a better one.
Dude, what am I doing wrong?
They're all the way. Tyrone! Oh, that's a better one. Let me move.
I'm pulling wildlife on you now.
That's right.
Oh, hell no.
Ooh,
Oh, come on now.
come on, buddy.
Yeah?
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, that's another one.
Oh, yeah.
Holy shoot.
Trying to sneak a peek at your lure.
Oh, here, come here. I don't mind.
What are those called?
They're swim baits.
Nice.
A little swim bait. How you doing? What's your name?
Swimbait. All
Yeah.
right, Ben. Thank
Simple. Ben, nice to meet you, man. Yeah. I don't care. You can have the bigger one if you want. Hey, hey. Tyrone, hey, bring your stuff over here and just set up on that rock. Hey. Sometimes, just lucky day. There's another one, guys.
How do rice farmers fish?
That's right. No, they use a cane pole. They use a big bamboo pole.
Exactly. Yeah, I caught something, all right?
Hey, it works. You did. You caught something. You did. That's
I catch MVP.
that. Look at that. That's good.
You got it. You got it.
Back up a little bit. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh
Holy
yeah.
shoot, that's the biggest
Yes!
one.
Dude.
That's the
There you go, good
biggest
shot.
one.
All right, we're done. There you go. Look at that.
That's what's up.
Yeah, go stand on the rock if you can. Cast it straight out. As soon as
Man.
as soon as the lure hits the water, start reeling. There you go. Go and close it and start reeling.
Is it really too fast?
No. I'm reeling fast.
Oh,
They're staying on the surface.
Oh, really?
All my fish I caught were all on the like towards the top.
So if they're on the surface, that
What
means
the?
it's cool?
Oh,
Oh, yes.
yeah, rockfish.
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 Oh, shit.
Dang, God damn it. That's all we were catching them on. Oh yeah, there you go.
There we go.
Oh yeah, bring him back. Here, let me get him. Let me get him. Oh, he swallowed that one. See how he stays still? Perfect. Look, hold that up. Hold that up. There you go. There you go. I'm on.
Oh, come on. Really? Hey, you said all the bugs out here, though.
No, you got one too. So he doesn't know how to use a bait caster yet.
Yeah, I don't know how to use a bait caster yet. Kiwi says so. I don't. Yeah.
About 2 hours?
Yeah, it's
We did a little
alright.
2 hour session. Here we go. We got 3 limits. There we go. Let's see them all. Nice.
Yay.
Here we go. Good job, guys. Well, that's it for today. Try to get on the bay later on this week, see if we can get a couple more sessions in. But until next time, tight lines.